So now you're pretty confident with AutoCAD, you might want to start selecting things in a more complex way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do selection filtering and how to select similar items. You can see that we've got different objects with different properties. If we launch the QSelect, we'll get this little dialog and we can select everything that we want to select based on filters. So if I just select a color, I can select everything that's green. Then I can quickly and dynamically change the properties. Let's try it one more time. Now, obviously you can filter on things that are not color, but visually, it's very easy to show you what is happening. Now, I need to filter on more than one color, so I'm going to add that to the selection and then change everything at the same time. Now you can see that I'm moving objects onto different layers. If you're curious about that, please review the previous video. So if I select one object, I can select other objects that are similar to it. But if I go into the settings of Select Similar, I can change how things are selected. This time it's line type. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications, it really helps me out. It also lets you know when the next lessons are becoming available. Additional resources are available, including PDFs, DWG files, reference documentation, and exclusive videos. Please see the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.